Here we go. We're on the train. Yeah, we're on the train. Yep, we're on the train, sweetheart. It's bumpy. There's brick flooring here. Yeah, oh. We're at the Santan Village Mall in Gilbert, Arizona. Yep. Yep.
We're weaving back and forth, aren't we?
Yep. Weaving back and forth, huh? Train.
What's over there? Looks like a car, huh?
Yep. Daddy.
Yeah.
Daddy. Good job, sweetie. Good boy, honey. That's good. Yep. Mommy's taking video.
You're in time.
Uh-oh. Yeah, you weren't sitting down, were you? Yep. Yep, car up in back of us.
Okay, wave. Now people always over there. Raise your hand high. There you go. Say hi. Speed bump.
Ready.
You see your reflection in the window? Yeah.
There's a picture of the train in the mirrored windows. Yep. Sweeter pie. Hi.
Say,
Good job. Yep, I'm taking video still. So we can watch it on YouTube and on iPhoto. Bumpity bumpity, huh? Yep. Going up and down on the speed bumps. Good job.
the car over there? Over there?
The sun is bright. There we up and down on the speed bump. Up and down on the speed bump. Or this way? Yeah. Neat. Yeah, good job. You're waving. Good job. Button. Yeah, you have a button on.
Yeah. Whoa.
Daddy. Sweetie, no, it's video, honey.
Say, Mom?
Mom. Good job.
Yeah.
Good job.
2, 1.
Bumpity, bumpity. Sweetheart. We're on the train. Train? Yeah? We're on the train. Oh, wow, look at how tall this is. Wow, very tall. Wow, very tall, sweetheart.
There we go.
Yes, here we are. We're going to turn in there. Good job. Okay.
Give me the double.
Good job. Yep, train. More train. More. You want more? Hey.